Got hail damage, don't worry, Angelo Dent Removal to the rescue. Got door dings, don't worry, Angelo Dent Removal to the rescue. Got minor dents, don't worry, Angelo Dent Removal to rescue. At Dents, don't worry, Angelo Dent Removal to the rescue. Don't worry, we can make your car look great again.
Angelo Dent Removal, they know the trick. With their skills, they make your car slick. No matter how big or small the dent, they'll fix it right, no need to lament.
Got hail damage, don't worry, Angelo Dent Removal to the rescue. Got door dings, don't worry, Angelo Dent Removal to the rescue. Got minor dents, don't worry,
Angelo Dent Removal to the rescue.
got dents, don't worry,
Angelo Dent Removal to rescue. Don't worry, we can make your car look great again. They come quick, they work fast, restoring your car, you won't be cast. Peace of mind, that's what they bring, fixing dents, making things right.
got hail damage, don't worry, Angelo Dent Removal to the rescue. Got door dings, don't worry, Angelo Dent Removal to the rescue. Got minor dent, don't worry, Angelo Dent Removal to the rescue. Got dents, don't worry, Angelo Dent Removal to the rescue.
Don't worry, we can make your car look great again.